Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the raw material. Choose 9 to 12 images that share color, lighting, or theme so your grid reads as one visual. Once chosen, crop every image to the same ratio, square or 16 to 9 to maintain alignment. This reduces surprising gaps. Make an album or rename files numerically to preserve order when posting. Doing this first saves time and avoids re-editing. It also ensures your theme feels intentional rather than accidental. Now you edit for cohesion. Apply one filter or, better, a single preset so saturation and contrast match across photos. Once done, tweak exposure and white balance in small, consistent increments rather than fixing each image independently. This preserves the shared mood. Make a subtle, repeated accent, like teal shadows or warm highlights, so the grid reads as a set. If you use an app preset, save it. That way future editions stay on brand with minimal effort. Finally, publish in the plan sequence. Use a scheduler or post manually following your numbered order so tiles land as intended. Preview the grid in Instagram or a mockup app before you hit publish. Make slight caption or spacing adjustments to enhance flow, and stagger posts if you want breathing room between tiles. If colors shift due to compression or app processing, make corrective edits and reupload the affected images. If problems persist, re-export with slightly lower compression and retry once.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.